Hello everybody. Today I want to tell you about such a problem as nail fungus and its causes, and how to get rid of nail fungus. In medicine, nail fungus is officially called homycosis. This is a disease that affects the nail plates on the fingers or toes. According to the World Health Organization, this is a fairly common disease. It occurs in about 27% of people, and the problem occurs on the legs twice as often as on the hands. The problem of nail fungus is very delicate, because the unpleasant appearance of the affected zone makes us feel uncomfortable and hide them from others. Let's try to understand the symptoms and signs of nail fungus. Onychomycosis is very easy to recognize, since its signs on the nails cannot be overlooked. First, the nail plates become dull and rough, lose their glossy sheen, then the nail becomes dirty yellow or whitish, or gray instead of pink. Then other characteristic symptoms of the fungus appear, such as an increase in the thickness of the plate, defects in the form of stripes of bends and irregularities and waves, development in tiny plates, an unpleasant smell from the nails. As a result, the nail is completely destroyed and even exfoliates, exposing the nail bed. The skin next to the plates turns red and causes severe itching. Who is more prone to this problem? The incidence of nail fungus increases by the age of 60. At this time, the probability of developing such an infection is 60%, which is explained by a slowdown in metabolism, especially in certain parts of the body, which are precisely the fingers and toes. Also, people with diabetes, varicose veins, nail injuries and adjacent potassium, HIV, and other immunodeficiency conditions are susceptible to nail fungus. People taking antibiotics for a long time, weakened immunity, vascular skin diseases, dermatitis and diaper rash, impaired blood supply to the limbs, insufficient hygiene. One of the main and dangerous myths is that nail fungus is not considered a serious disease. Actually, it is not. I offer you simple remedies for treating the prevention of nail fungus. First way. Pour 2 cups of water into a saucepan. Water must be boiled. Then take a foot bath. Take iodine povidone, pour 7 to 10 drops of iodine into the foot bath. The main active substance in the composition is povidone iodine, molecular iodine, which is detrimental to the effects of a fungal infection. Then pour boiling water into the foot bath, dilute with cool water. The water should become warm. The next ingredient is sea salt. Salt has excellent cleansing and exfoliating properties, draws from the skin of toxins and degreases it. Take 1 tablespoon of sea salt and add it to our foot bath. Now you need to mix thoroughly until the salt dissolves in water. Soak your feet in a foot bath for 15 minutes. The water should be warm, not scalding. Such baths can be done every day. Then, dry your feet thoroughly with a towel. Try to keep all parts of the legs dry. Let's move on to the second method. This is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is obtained from the leaves of the Melaleuca plant, which belongs to the myrtle family and grows in Australia. Tea tree essential oil is an excellent antiseptic, strong antiviral and anti-inflammatory agent. Apply 1 to 2 drops to each nail and rub over the entire surface of the toes and hands. Do this procedure every day before going to bed. Third way. We need apple cider vinegar. Vinegar is often used in the treatment of nail fungus due to the fact that it immediately destroys the fungus in an acidic environment. This quickly helps to get rid of the infection, relieve inflammation of the skin, and restore the structure of the nail. We need to prepare a vinegar solution in the proportion of 1 part apple cider vinegar to 8 parts of water. For example, we have 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, so we need 8 cups of water at room temperature. But first we need to steam our legs in hot water. Then you should lower your feet into a foot bath with vinegar solution for 15 minutes. Carry out this procedure once every 2 days. Friends, be careful if you have varicose veins. This method is not suitable for you. Fourth way. We need 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of water. Best of all, such a remedy helps in the fight against yeast fungus candidiasis. At an initial degree, the agent helps to reduce inflammatory processes. Apply the baking soda solution to the nail in an even layer. Then cut the lemon. Squeeze a few drops of lemon juice onto the soda solution on top. After applying soda to a fungus-affected nail, a slight burning sensation and blisters may appear. Don't be scared, it's normal. After 5 minutes, wash off the paste with warm water and soap. You can use any method that suits you. Most importantly, take care of yourself. And do not forget to consult with your body before use and conduct a diagnosis of the body. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to my channel and put likes and write comments. It will be interesting for me to read.